Hello friends, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. This video is about mathematics tricks or riddles to work your brain out. Prove that 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 550. How is this possible? So stay tuned and watch this video to the end, not forgetting to subscribe, to like and click on the notification icon if this is your first time to visit this channel, so as to get notified whenever a video is uploaded on YouTube. Okay, let's just kickstart if you're ready. Question 1. Prove that 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 550. How is this possible? Okay, you are given 5 seconds to attempt this question. Okay, and then you can get the proposed solution. Okay, solution. So the solution to this question, if you can simply draw a straight line on the first plus sign, this makes the number. For example, you have 5 plus. For the first plus sign, just simply draw a straight line as you can find on the screen. Okay, you can realize that once you draw a straight line on that plus sign, you have it appears as the number 4. Now the equation looks like this: 545. You know, the straight line you have drawn on the number on the plus sign has made that the sign has turned to the number 4, so it becomes 545, and the second plus sign is constant, and which add to 5, which gives us 550, which is true. So that's just a simple trick behind this mathematics riddle that has just been presented to you. So hope this video is helpful. If yes, just kindly press the subscription button once more and click on the notification icon to get notified whenever a video as this is uploaded on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end.